Hello friends. So a few months back I had uploaded a video on Borosil renewables, and अगर हम आज इसको देखें तो आज इसने एक अपर सर्किट मारा है. We had shared this video at around 273 and the current price is at around 358. So far, if any investor or trader had bought this particular stock, so the trader would be getting a profit of around 30%. And I have mentioned the target also in this video, so you can check this video as well. I will share this video in the description section of this video. So let's start with the Technofunda analysis video of ICICI Securities. So we will be doing a multi-time frame analysis in this, and first we will be starting with the weekly time frame. So I will just draw Fibonacci retracement. So as you can see, यहाँ पर एक rally हुआ था in stock, and उसके बाद the stock had corrected, and then यहाँ पे we had again seen a good rally in ICICI Security. अगर हम यहाँ पे फिबोनाची रिट्रेसमेंट यूज करें टू दिस पर्टिकुलर हाई, तो आप यहाँ पे जैसे देख रहे हो, इसने जो अपना सपोर्ट लिया था वो एग्जैक्ट 38.2% लेवल के आस उधर लिया था. सो एग्जैक्ट द लो, द पिन बार जो है उसका जो लो है, इट इज एग्जैक्टली 38.2%. सो दिस वाज करेक्शन और स्मॉल करेक्शन इन आईसीआईसीआई सिक्योरिटी. एंड हमें यहाँ पे अगर हम रैली भी कंसिडर करें कि कितना परसेंट अप मूव दिया है इन आईसीआईसीआई सिक्योरिटी, सो इट इज अराउंड 112% रैली इन आईसीआईसीआई सिक्योरिटी. एंड करेक्शन अगर हम देखें इन परसेंटेज टर्म्स, so it is 20% correction, and it took support at exactly 38.2%. and now अभी जो setup है हम daily chart पे discuss करेंगे, so we will be discussing that as well. अभी के इसमें the bottom has been made in the ICICI Security, and possibly we might see a good up move as well, and we will see it in the daily chart right now. So I have opened the daily chart now, and जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, ये जो blue line है वो resistance था for ICICI Security, and ये जो candle है यहाँ पे इसने breakout दिया था, but it was a fake breakout, and after this fake breakout the stock had corrected, stock went down, and again आज in today's candle इसने blue line के resistance को भी break किया, and also the all time high level जो कि 802 है उसको भी break किया है. So it is a good sign for ICICI Security, and moreover it is a good momentum stock as well. अभी अगर हम इसका टारगेट कैलकुलेट करें ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रेंज कैलकुलेशन, सो ये जो हमारा हाई है एंड ये जो हमारा लो है व्हेन इट वाज ट्रेडिंग बिलो दिस रेजिस्टेंस लाइन, सो वी विल जस्ट कैलकुलेट द रेंज ऑफ दिस, एंड हम इसको सिर्फ ऊपर ऐड कर दें. तो जो हमारा टारगेट आ रहा है वो अराउंड 966 है इन दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक. And moreover it is a short term trading stock and not for investment. Those who are looking for short term trading in this particular stock, then they can look for this opportunity. And जो हमारा जो upside है अगर हम percentage terms पे देखें based on this breakout, so it will be around 18% upside. And also one important thing to notice, one should not buy at current price but instead wait for some dip till 800 levels, and then one can buy at current price or wait for some dips at till 800. And second thing is जो हमारा जो stop loss रहेगा इसमें, it will be at this particular level which is 740 or round figure at 735. so अगर हम stop loss देके at the from current price, तो अभी अगर हम डाउन साइड देखें तो इट इज अराउंड 9.3 और 10% रिस्क, एंड जो रिवॉर्ड है हमारा 18% है, एंड जो रिस्क रिवॉर्ड है इट इज 1:2, एंड most of the traders prefer that much kind of risk reward. And this is about the technical chart of ICICI Securities, and we will study about the fundamentals also, but we will not give more weightage to fundamentals in this because it is a short-term trade and we are not expecting a double or higher returns, only 20% return in short term. So let's study the fundamentals. So the book value of the stock is 56 and it is a PE is 20.6. and जैसे सबको मालूम है कि ICICI Securities in brokerage business, and अभी अगर हम देखें प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट, तो कंपनी का जो रेवेन्यू है वो इंक्रीज हो रहा है ईयर ऑन ईयर, एंड जो कंपनी का नेट प्रॉफिट है वो भी इंक्रीज हो रहा है. कंपनी इज पेइंग गुड डिविडेंड एज वेल टू द शेयर होल्डर्स. इफ यू सी द बैलेंस शीट, कंपनी का रिजर्व जो है वो इंक्रीज हो रहा है। यहाँ पे है जो बोरोइंग्स है, दे आर इंक्रीजिंग देयर बोरोइंग्स, एंड यहाँ पे उन्होंने बोरोइंग्स डबल कर दी है, बट यहाँ पे जो रिजर्व है वो अराउंड 600 करोड़ से इंक्रीज हुआ है। एंड इफ यू सी दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉलम, यहाँ पे जो बोरोइंग्स है, इट इज ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन 2x of the reserves, which is not a good sign for the company. But again, we are, as I have said, कि we will focus only on technical side and fundamentals को हम कम weightage देंगे, तो that is fine. And अगर हम अभी देखें, investor की holding and promoters have reduced their stake from 79.2, 77, and now 74.92%. FIs are increasing their stake from 3.8 to 5.6%, and the DIs, they are also decreasing their stake. If we see the promoter pledging in this particular stock, then there is 0% pledging of the promoters, which is a good sign. So the only concern here is the borrowings. But again, as I have said in this earlier part of this video, that this is only a short-term trading stock. We are not focusing on investment, and the target is only 20%, and the stop loss is 9 to 10% here. So we will follow a strict stop loss in this particular stock if anything goes wrong. But we will buy this particular stock at CMP, the current price, or on dips, and we will be keeping strict tight stop loss. Apart from this, it is a momentum stock and volatile also, so maintain a proper position sizing as well in this particular stock, and don't risk too much. So this is all about today's Technofunda video, and if you have learned anything from this video, and if you are getting benefited from more such videos, then you can subscribe to our channel, and you can also learn where I will be uploading more such videos in which you can learn as well. And don't forget to like this video if you have if you find anything useful from this video. Also, there is a disclaimer with this video. Thank you, guys.